Hi, so this tutorial is on the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. This website is a free website, and to access it, you just have to complete two simple steps. Step one is to go to their website. You can go to their website two different ways. You can just search it in the search bar, or you can go to a specific search engine and search it that way. What you will type into your search engine or web browser is nlvm.usu.edu. Once you do that, this is the screen that will pop up. So once you see the screen, you will go on to step 2. And step 2 is to download Java. If you already have Java downloaded on your computer, then you're set and ready to go. But if you don't have Java downloaded on your computer, you have to download it in order to get access to the different tools that the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives have to offer. Once the download is complete, you are set and ready to go and use the website. The Library of Virtual Manipulatives covers many different concepts. It covers numbers and operations, algebra, geometry, measurements, and data analysis and probability. It also covers the grade levels from pre-K all the way to 12th grade. So you can access the tools on this website in a few different ways. The first way you can do it is by clicking the grade level that you want. So if you were to click pre-K to 2, you just click it and you will see this page come up, and you can scroll down and see all of the different tools that they have for the pre-K to 2 age range. So if you go back to the main screen, you will click this that says Virtual Library. So if, say, you wanted to click 3 to 5, 6 to 8, or 9 to 12, the same screen will pop up just for these different age levels. But say you just know you want to do algebra. You can just click algebra and the same screen will show up, but now it's everything with algebra. So the first one that comes up is pre-K to 2 algebra. You'll scroll down, grade 3 to 5 algebra. Scroll down, grade 6 to 8 algebra. And then keep scrolling, you'll find grade 9 to 12 algebra. And to get back to the main screen, you'll scroll back up and click Virtual Library. But now let's say you are a second grade teacher and you are learning geometry right now. What you can do is you can just go to this box right here, and if you click it, it will light up. And if you click it again, just pre-K to 2 geometry will show up. So let's give it a try. So we'll click it again, and now just geometry from grade pre-K to 2 shows up on this screen. So we can go back again by clicking the Virtual Library screen, and the same main screen comes up. So if you see that I'm going around here, each of these boxes are lighting up. That's how you would get to a specific grade level and concept. I'll do an example of what some of the tools look like. So say if I want to do pre-K to 2 and I want to do numbers and operations. I'll click here and I'll scroll down to see the different things I can choose from, and I look and I say, oh, I can see money. Next week I have a lesson on money. So I can click money, and then you'll have a screen that looks like this. It will pop up. So for this one, it's going to ask you how much money. So right here you can see it shows you the different amounts of money. So if I were to do this, I would click here and type what I see. So I see a 50, a 1, so I know it's $51.07. But just to make sure, I can check it, and it tells me that that is correct. So I can do a couple things from here. I can make a new problem, same thing pops up, or I can, down here, it gives you a couple different options. So with this, I could show the class how to count money. I could have a class doing this on their own on their computers. Now you want to go back to the regular screen. You can do two things. You can just exit out of the screen, or you can hit your back button. So for me, I just hit my back button and it brought me back to this screen. So now I can go back up to virtual library and start all over again. Now the same thing will happen for each grade, each concept. So from here, I want to do pre-K 2 again, but now I want to do geometry. So I click on geometry and the same thing pops up. So this website gives you so many different options on what concepts, what grade levels, and it's all the same. You just click on what you want and another screen pops up and it shows you the screen, it gives you directions, it checks it for you, and it can give you new problems. So this website is really simple and easy, and it can be used for you, it can be used for students, it can be used for homework, and it could be used for in-class activities, and it's really simple and easy to use.